Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Government Budget and the Economy. In the modern world, every government aims at maximizing the welfare of its country. It requires a number of infrastructural, economic, and welfare activities. All these activities require huge expenditure to be incurred. This requires appropriate planning and policy of the government. The solution to all these problems is budget. A budget is a document containing detailed programs and policies of action for the given fiscal year. Budget is a detailed economic statement which includes the details of revenue and expenditure of the government. It is a document which contains estimates of government receipts and expenditure during a fiscal year or financial year. Fiscal year runs between April 1 to March 31. Government budget is an annual statement showing item-wise estimates of receipts and expenditure during fiscal year. The receipts and expenditure shown in the budget are not the actual figure but the estimated values for the coming year. Government budget is a statement that shows estimated receipts and estimated expenditure during a fiscal year. Budget shows estimates of government receipts and expenditures during a fixed period of 1 year. Budget requires the approval by the Parliament. Some important points. Budget is prepared by government at all levels. That means central government, state government and local government prepares its respective annual budget. Estimated expenditures and receipts are planned as per the objectives of the government. In India, budget is presented in the parliament on such a day as the president may direct, but convention it is prepared on the last working day of February each year. It is required to be approved by the parliament before it can be implemented. Next we have objectives of the government budget. Listen students, objectives are very important for examination point of view. You have to prepare each objective according to 4 marks. Most of the time 1 or 2 objectives can be asked by the examiner in 4 marks or 6 marks question. Objectives of government budget are reallocation of resources, reducing inequalities in income and wealth, economic stability, economic growth, management of public enterprises, reducing regional disparities. In a mixed economy, apart from the private sector, there is a government which plays a crucial role. It tries to influence economic life through its budgetary measures. The objectives that are pursued by the government through its revenue and expenditure measures are as follows. First is reallocation of resources. In market economies, allocation of resources is determined by the forces of supply and demand. Profit is the sole motive behind production and hence social welfare is ignored. The government reallocates resources with a view to balance the goal of profit maximization and social welfare. Profit maximization by firms and social welfare by government. Government can influence allocation of resources by influencing market mechanism through taxes, subsidies and direct participation in the production. Heavy taxes can be imposed on production units engaged in producing harmful products like liquor, cigarettes, etc. Tax concessions and subsidies can be given to encourage production of products useful for the masses. Government can directly produce goods and services which are normally ignored by the private sector due to lack of enough profits. Students, we will discuss more objectives of government budget in the next video. Thank you.